Hi everybody, good afternoon. It's time to get cranking. We need to get this deck of stuff moving in the right direction. I apologize if it seems like I dropped the ball a little bit at the end of summer. I definitely had a case of super excited about getting ready to go and life catching up with me. So I tried to enjoy vacation with my family and taking Morgan back and all of that, and time just got away from me. So I apologize if you were kind of looking for a little bit of follow-up. But here we are, and we're ready to get started. So we're going to have a little bit of a change to the officer program this year, and I just want to finalize that one more time before you see it, and then we also share it with the kids that are in our class. But I'm reaching out to you today because we need to get moving on what we're putting out there publicly for the fall. So I want to make sure that we've got at least the 5 of you that you know what's going on, and we can make some progress with that. Pardon me. So one of the things that we really need to do is we need to get moving on getting some stuff out there on social media. So I'm hoping between the 5 of you, I know that when you talk about social media, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but that's really what we need to get started with at this time. So between the 5 of you, I would imagine there are maybe a couple of you that really like it and feel like you could add some value to what we're doing. And I would love for you to reach out to me and let me know. And this is our document that we worked on a little bit earlier this summer. And we've made some really nice progress. Obviously, it's extremely text heavy. So we need to take that document and we need to start plugging that into our planning calendar. I might have shared it in here. I'm not sure. Just for the purposes of today, I'm just going to go ahead and pull that up for you so you can see what I'm talking about. So I can share this with you, and this is going to be our social media planning calendar where we go in and we literally fill in where you find things, what's going to happen, when they're going to take place. I set up a Hootsuite account for our Instagram and also our Facebook page. So we're really looking to get moving on that. So at this time, if you can kind of discuss amongst yourselves and then reach out to me and let me know if you want to get involved with getting moving on that social media stuff, that would be awesome. I think Mrs. Rutherford feels the same way that I do. I was really, really gung-ho. I've got a lot of stuff ready to go for DECA, but I have to admit, on day 2, the planning involved of the remote teaching, I think I will get more adept with it, but it's taken me a little longer to get used to it than maybe what I thought. So that's kind of where we are right now. So I'm looking forward to hearing back from some of you, and it's also totally cool if you get back to me and you literally say, I just really don't like dealing with social media and I don't want to mess around with it. That's completely fine as well. All right, so I hope you guys are doing well and everything went okay your first couple days, and that you're going to figure out how to get this thing rolling. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.